Video will generate the standard logistic function, trend line, and trend line equation using the hyperbolic tangent function and the exponential function. Begin with the exponential function, which is equal to array formula, exponent of the x values. And the hyperbolic tangent function is equal to array formula, hyperbolic tangent function of the x values. And we'll chart this. Here we use scatter chart, and the trend line will be polynomial to the 8th degree. And we show the equation as label and relocate it at the bottom. So here we have the trend line and trend line equation of the two curves. We continue modifying the exponential function to its standard logistic. So factor in negative sign. And now it's a decay. Factor in 1 plus. And then we factor in 1 over the quantity. So here we have the trend line and the trend line equation of the standard logistic function. We continue with the hyperbolic tangent. So we start with the 0.5, 0.5 times x. And then we factor in 0.5, 0.5 times, and then we add 0.5 plus. Enter. Now they are all on the same trend line. Their data sets are the same. Trend line equations are also the same. Next, we'll calculate these polynomial coefficients using LINEST. To do that, we complete the LINEST polynomial matrix. So this is equal to array formula of the x values raised to the power 0 to 8. Now we can calculate LINEST. LINEST data y and data x. And also for the tangent function, hyperbolic tangent function, LINEST data y and data x. So let's compare with our trend line equation. The coefficient of x to the 0 is 0.5. Coefficient of x 0.248. Coefficient of x squared 0. This is 0 because this is very small, times 10 to the minus 17 times 10 to the minus 19. Coefficient of x cubed negative 0.0184. Coefficient of x to the 4th is 0. This is 0 because it's times 10 to the minus 17 times 10 to the minus 19. X to the 5th is 1.09 times 10 to the minus 3. X to the 6th is 0. This is very small, times 10 to the minus 18 and times 10 to the minus 19. And x to the 7th, that's negative 2.72 times 10 to the minus 5. And x to the 8, this is 0 because this is times 10 to the minus 19 times 10 to the minus 20. This completes the use of exponential function, hyperbolic tangent function, and LINEST polynomial regression to generate the trend line, dataset, and trendline equation of the standard logistic function.